Hi everyone. Good evening. We are going to talk about a case study today for a client that we started working with very recently, and the numbers were so good we could not stop ourselves from writing the case study or making a video out of it. So here's what happened. A few months ago, an idea management software brand they came to us. They offered a couple of projects. One was an idea management software, another was an innovation management software, which is more on the intellectual property side of things. And they had already had an in-house marketing team, and they wanted to get traction out of the LinkedIn channel. They really wanted the LinkedIn to do the hard work for them, and not just they had a team that were posting and everything, but they really wanted leads out of the channel, not just likes, not just comments, but leads. And this is what the numbers look like before they started working with us. And the basic rule of the thumb is, even if you keep posting 5 times a week, or if you do like 10 posts a week, which are not relevant to the ICP, people would not engage, let alone driving conversion or driving a demo request. That would never happen. And of course, feature posts are important. We are going to have that, but we really needed a strategy that would make people engage with them, and that would open up the gate for the sales channel to engage with these people, with our clients. So what could we do? We figured, since they are working with innovation management, they are working in the field of innovation, we pick out a few domains where a lot of innovation is happening. Now that could be biotechnology, clean tech, green tech, sustainability, food, plant proteins, alternative meats, and those kind of options, alternative dairy. So we went in and we figured which are the companies that are doing stellar work in this domains. The domains are again awesome. Now we have to find companies that are doing stellar work, and we figured a list of companies that were doing a lot of innovation around this domains. So every week, twice a week, we did two posts where we picked a particular technology, and we spotlighted 5 to 7 companies that were doing stellar work in that particular domain. Take Now Energy, for example, they were doing amazing work with their plant-based caffeine alternative. And we did not just tag the companies, we tagged the CEOs as well, or their co-founders, whichever information was easily available, and whoever was more accessible, who we felt had a better LinkedIn reach out. So we tagged these people, and we would post, and we did not just talk about them, we did not just tag them, we talked about what they did. And this were all, we did not exaggerate, this were all fact based things. We verified each and every information that we are talking about, and we started posting this. To say we did not see results uh, till later would be something false, because the moment we started posting this, immediately the next day we saw traction. For example, for the above post, this is what we received. Right, within 24 hours, the CEO of the company, he reached out and he tagged. He did not just comment on the post, he liked the post, he commented on the post, and he did reposted our whole post. And same thing happened from the company account as well. And this is a pattern that we saw across a lot of companies. At least 2 out of every 6 or 7 companies that we posted about in our every post, every bi-weekly post, they engaged with us. And that opened up the sales channel, that opened up the conversation, either through their company account or through their CEOs, and that opened up the conversation for our client sales team, so that they could take it forward. And when we received this, we passed on this warm leads to our sales, to our client sales teams, and they took the conversation forward, driving demo requests. And they are in talks for a few things. But I think we would get to know more details, and we would share more details with you as it comes. And it has worked pretty well for the client. This is just one of the strategies that we have used for a client. And within the 75-day window that we started working with them, this is the number of impressions. So can you see the before and after? There's a huge difference. It is used to be 1703 impressions and 8150. There's a 368% increase in impressions, reactions. Not just that, even in follower count as well. So we have seen amazing results, and this is just one of the strategies we use for one of our clients. We have multiple such strategies in our playbook. To find out more, do subscribe to our newsletter, or follow us on YouTube, or maybe just ping us and set up a call, and we would share some of the strategies that can work for your team too.